Aerial view of Islamabad's lush green hills and the iconic Faisal Mosque. Welcome to Islamabad, the serene capital of Pakistan. Nestled against the majestic Margalla Hills, this city offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, modern architecture, and rich culture. In this video, we'll explore the top places you must visit in Islamabad. 1. Faisal Mosque. Start with the breathtaking architecture of Faisal Mosque, one of the largest and most beautiful mosques in the world. Mention its unique design and the serene atmosphere that attracts visitors from all over. To Daman-e-Koh. Highlight this viewpoint in the Margalla Hills, offering panoramic views of Islamabad. Suggested as a perfect spot for photography or a peaceful evening. 3. Rawal Lake. Show the tranquil waters of Rawal Lake, a popular destination for boating, picnics, and nature walks. Capture the scenic sunsets over the lake. 4. Pakistan Monument. Describe the symbolic design of the Pakistan Monument, representing the unity of the nation. Share insights into the museum that showcases Pakistan's history. 5. Lok Virsa Museum. Take viewers on a cultural journey through Lok Virsa, featuring traditional art, crafts, and music. Highlight the unique exhibits that celebrate Pakistan's heritage. 6. Margalla Hills National Park. Explore hiking trails, wildlife, and the lush greenery of this natural escape within the city. Mention popular trails like Trail 3 and the birdwatching opportunities. 7. Centaurus Mall. End with the modern side of Islamabad by showcasing Centaurus Mall, a hub for shopping, dining, and entertainment.